Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class. Class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 1 decimals, and this is our lecture number 6. Today's subtopics are division of decimal fractions. We have done in previous lecture also. We will continue. Exercise 1E, question number 1, O and P parts. Question number 4, A to D parts. Question number 5, A to C parts. Let's start with our exercise 1E, question number 1. Find the quotient. O part, decimal 00042 divided by 420. Now beta, look here. It is 42, that is 42. If we are not considering decimal, it is 42. And here it is 420. So, we can take one 0 here. It will become 420 when we are doing division without considering the decimal. Okay. And as decimal is placed here, so we can put n number of zeros. हम कितनी भी zero लगा सकते हैं क्योंकि decimal है. तो जब आप 0 लगाएंगे and when you are going to change it in the form of fraction, then the zeros will cancel. It means we can say that decimal 00042 and decimal 000420 both are same decimal numbers. Look here, I have explained here. Decimal 00042, if we are changing it in the form of fraction, it will become 42 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 42 upon 1 lakh. Okay. Now see what we have changed in the number. We have added one 0 here to the right side. Now it is decimal 000420. Now change it in the form of fraction. 420 upon 10 lakh. Now 1 0 and here 1 0. These will cancel. And now it is left 42 upon 1 lakh. It is same as we have done previously also. It means is both the decimal numbers are same. Okay. Now 420 divided by decimal 000420. 420 ones are 420. Okay. Now consider this decimal. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Okay. Before 1, before decimal we want. No, here after decimal we want again the digits which are present in the dividend. 6 digits are present there in dividend. So after decimal we want 6 digits. We have only one digit, that is 1 only, 1's place. So we will put zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros we will put. Now there are total 6 digits. And now we will mark decimal here. So our answer has become decimal 000420 divided by 420 is equal to decimal 00001. Now this 0 will be considered when we are finding out the answer having the decimal. Understood? Clear? अब अगर इस 0 को हम consider नहीं करेंगे, then we will get wrong quotient because we have used this 0, so we will count it. Next part, decimal 007 divided by 14. Now if we are not considering the decimal, here it is 7 and here it is 14, so we can make 70, we can put 0. So what we have done, we have taken the dividend decimal 0070, right? Now 14 5s are 70, right? 70, no remainder is left. Now after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So 1's place we have 5. We are going to write down 3 zeros before 5. So our answer will become decimal 0005. Understood? At last when you are going to write down the answer, then check that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 and here decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now it is correct. Now question number 4, divide the following. A part 9.8784 divided by 0.98. Now look here beta, dividend and divisor both have decimals. So keep the thing in your mind. If dividend in dividend after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there, and in divisor after decimal 1, 2 digits are there, it's okay. And if here in dividend the numbers after decimal are less than the numbers after decimal in divisor, then we have to write down the zeros in our dividend to balance it. ठीक है, डेसिमल के बाद जितने भी डिजिट हैं वो डिवाइजर के डिजिट्स के इक्वल हो सकते हैं, ग्रेटर हो सकते हैं, बट नॉट लेस, राइट. Now when we are going to do division of these type of questions where dividend and divisor both are containing decimals, we will not consider decimal in division, right. So we will do division 98,784 by 98. 98 ones are 98. 8 minus 8 0, 9 minus 9 0. Now we will take next digit, that is 7. 7 is less than 98. So we will take 0 in the quotient and we will take next digit. It will become now 78. 78 is again less than 98. So we will put 0 in quotient and we will take next digit, that is 4. Now it is 784. 98 8s are 784. So 98 8s are 784. 784 minus 784, remainder is 0. Now we will write down the question again. In question we have decimals. So see in our dividend. Now you have to listen me very carefully. After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there in dividend, and in divisor 1 and 2. 2 digits are there in divisor. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So in our question there should be 2 digits after decimal. Understood? So we will count from ones place, ones, tens, and then we will put decimal. Our answer will become 10.08. Understood? डिवाइजर के डिविडेंड के नंबर में डेसिमल के कितने प्लेसेस हैं? 4. डिवाइजर में 2 and the sign is division. If division sign is there, we will do subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 digits we want in quotient after decimal. And before that, what we have done, when the sign was multiplication, we were adding the digits. Division is there, so we are subtracting the digits now. Next is B part. 0.28294 divided by 0.602. So see, after decimal in dividend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits, and here 1, 2, 3. So we will start division without considering the decimal. 28,294 divided by 602. 602 282. Division is not possible. So we will put 0 in quotient and we will take one more digit. Here you can put 0 before 4. Okay. So now next digit we have considered 2,829. 602 4s are 2,408. So we will put here 9 minus 8 1, 2 minus 0 2, 8 minus 4 4. Now next digit we will take, that is 4. Now our number has become 4,214. 602 7s are 4,214. So we will take it here. 602 7s are 4,214. Remainder is 0 now. Now write down the question again. 0.28294 divided by 0.602. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So count from ones place, ones, tens, and put decimal here. So answer has become 0.47. Right? Next is C part. 3.0 0525 divided by 5.5. Right? So now simple division without considering the decimal. So 30,525 divided by 55. Here we will take 305 because 30 is less than 55. So we will consider one more digit, 305. 55 5s are 275. So 305 minus 275, we will get 30. Now we will consider next digit 2. 55 5s are 275. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now next digit is 5. 55 5s are 275. Right? Now write down the question again. 3.0525 divided by 5.5. Now count the number of digits after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So count from ones place. 1, 2, 3 and put to decimal. So our answer has become 0.555. Right? Next is question 4, D part. 10.26816 divided by 33.6. As dividend and divisor both have the decimal, we will not consider decimal first in division. Simple division will be there. So 10,26,816 divided by 336. Okay. So 102 is less than 336. So we will take one more digit. Now it is 1026. 336 3s are 1008. So we will write 3s are 1008. Now 16 minus 8, 8. And here 1 minus 0, 1. Next digit 8. 188 is less than 336. So we will take 0 in the quotient and we will consider next digit. Now it has become 1881. 336 5s are 1680. So we will take it in the quotient. 336 5s are 1680. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Next digit we will take, that is 6. 336 6s are 2016. So 336 6s are 2016. Remainder is 0 now. Write down the quotient again. Your quotient is written again, is equal to 3056. Now decimal places we have to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Count from ones place. Ones, tens, 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put to decimal. So our answer has become 0.3056. Right? Now question number 5. Write the following in decimals. Now fractions are given. We have to write the answers in the form of decimals. 6 upon 8. So 6 upon 8. Numerator is less than denominator. Okay. So when we are going to divide, we will take 6 decimal 0. Why we are taking 0? Because 6 is less than 8. And we know if we are putting decimal, then after the decimal, we can write down n number of zeros. कितनी भी zero हम लगा सकते हैं. So we have taken 1 0 first. Now 8 sevens are 56. 10 minus 6, 4. Remainder is left. Decimal के sums में remainder नहीं बचाना. So as 4 is left, we will take one more 0. Okay, now this 0 will be considered here. It will become 40. 8 5s are 40. Now remainder is 0. Now to put decimal, see after decimal 1 and 2. 2 digits are there. इन zeros को count करना है अब. क्योंकि इस 0 ने हमारे division को complete किया है. Right? So 1, 2. So count from ones place 1, ones, tens and put decimal. 1, 2, then put decimal. So our answer has become decimal 75 or we can say 0.75. Now question number 5, P part we will do 4 whole 9 upon 50. Now it is in mixed fraction form. So first of all we will change it into improper. 50 fours are 200. 200 plus 9, 209. So it will become 209 upon 50. So 209 divided by 50. 50 fours are 200. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 is left. So we will put decimal and we will consider 0. So now it is 90. 50 ones are 50. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. Again remainder is left 40. So take one more 0 in your dividend. Zeros तब तक लेने हैं जब तक आपका division complete नहीं हो जाए. Right? So now we will take this 0. Now number has become 400. 58s are 400. 400 minus 400, 0. Now remainder is 0. After decimal in dividend there are 2 zeros, means 2 numbers, 2 digits. Okay. So here we have 418. We will start counting from ones place. Ones, tens, then we will put decimal. So our answer will be 4.18. Now question number 5, D part. 11 upon 20. 11 less than 20. So we will put decimal and we will consider 10. It will become 110 divided by 20. Decimal and 0 you will put here, but you will read it 110. Okay. Don't take decimal in your steps. 25s are 100. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 10 is left. Take one more 0 in dividend. Then consider the 0. Now the number has become 100. 25s are 100. 100 minus 100, remainder is 0. Now after decimal in dividend we have 2 digits. So in answer, in our question, there should be 2 digits after decimal. So ones and tens, then put decimal. So our answer has become decimal 55, or we can say 0.55. And now it's time to take homework. Your homework is solve question 4 E to H parts of exercise 1E in your notebook. And better do carefully, do your homework regularly. Okay. Now we will do homework discussion of lecture 5. So you all open your book notebook wherever you have done the work. You have to check your answers now. Question number 2. M and N parts were given in your homework. M part 2.3001 divided by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Okay. And division sign is there. So decimal will shift 4 places back. One digit we have, 3 zeros we will put. And then answer will become decimal 0.00230001. Right? Next N part. 83.751 divided by 1000. Division sign is here. So decimal will move backward. And how much steps back? 1, 2, 3. How many steps? 3 steps back. 1 and 2. 2 digits we have. So third digit we will put here 0. Then our answer will become 0.083751. Right? Decimal 3 places back will shift now. So decimal 0.83751. Question number 3. C, D and E parts were given. So let's start. C part, you have to check. Beta, if mistake is there, then definitely you have to do correction work. Otherwise, it will be difficult to understand if you are leaving the correction work. अगर आप correction नहीं कर रहे हैं and next work करने लगे, then there will be problem when you will revise for your test. Okay. So C part, 1563 decimal 300 divided by 3000. I told you for this type of questions, if you want, you can divide it directly by 3 and then these zeros you will consider after division. Or you can change it in the form of fraction, or directly you can do division with 3000. Okay. So 3000 when 3000 is divisor when it divides 1563 decimal 300. 3000 5s are 15,000. Right. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 0 3. 0 है ना हमारे यहाँ पे. 3 minus 0 3. 3 minus 0 3. 6 minus 0 6. 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. So 633. Now we will take next 0 here. Number has become 6,330. 3,000 2s are 6,000. Right. Then 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 0 3. 3 minus 0 3. And 6 minus 6 0. 330. Now we will take next 0 which is given in our question. 3,300. 3,000 ones are 3,000. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 0 3. 300. Remainder is left. हमें remainder नहीं चाहिए. So we will consider one more 0 here. We will put 0 in your dividend. Then we will consider that 0. Now it is 3,000. 3,000 ones are 3,000. Now see, after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Right? So here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Put decimal. Decimal 5 to 1. 1 will be our answer. Right? This 0 which you have taken to complete your division will be considered when you are going to mark the decimal. If you are leaving this 0, then we have 1, 2, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then our answer will become wrong. Next part, 207 decimal 720 divided by 20. 207 decimal 720. 20 ones are 20. Then you will take next digit 7. 7 is less than 20. So we will mark 0 in our quotient. We will take next digit 7. Now number is 77. 23s are 60. 7 minus 0, 7. 7 minus 6, 1. 17 is a take next digit 2. 172. So 28s are 160 because 2 8s are 16. 28s are 160. Now 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Next digit 0. 26 are 120. Division is completed. Right? Now write down the question again. हमने कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा 0 अपने डिविडेंड में ऐड नहीं की बिकॉज हमारा डिविजन कंप्लीट हो गया. राइट? So write down. When you are writing the question again, then write from here because sometimes you are taking extra zeros also. But here we have not taken. In previous question we have taken. Right? So write down 207 decimal 720 divided by 20 is equal to 10386. Right? After decimal 1, 2, 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 10 decimal 386. Our answer has become 10 decimal 386. Decimal will be there in dividend and in quotient only. Not in between these steps. Third question E part. 30 decimal 940 divided by 70. 30 decimal 940 divided by 70. 30, 70. 30 is less than 70. So we will take one more digit 309. Now 74s are 7 4s are 28. 74s are 280. Right? Oral multiplication we have done. No? Now 9 minus 0, 9. 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 29. Consider one next digit. That is 4. Now it is 284. Again 74s are 280. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Take next digit 0. 72s are 140. No remainder is there. Division is completed. After decimal 1, 2, 3 digits. Start counting from ones place. Ones, tens, 100. 3 digits. Put decimal. So our answer has become 0.442. That's all for today. Understood? Right? If mistakes are there, do correction work. And kindly submit the homework positively on time.